Hi, I am from PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to use the Snipping Tool in Windows 11 and guide you step by step on taking and saving screenshots easily. Step 1. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Snipping Tool in the search bar and press Enter to open it. This tool helps you take quick screenshots of anything on your screen. Step 2. Once the Snipping Tool is open, click on New to start a new screenshot. This allows you to capture the part of your screen that you need immediately. Step 3. Choose the type of snip you want from rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen. Each type helps you capture different areas, for example, rectangular for precise shapes or full screen for the entire display. Step 4. Capture the area you want by clicking and dragging your mouse for rectangular or freeform snips, or by selecting a specific window. This ensures you get exactly what you need from your screen. Step 5. After capturing, click Save to store your screenshot on your PC, or click Copy to paste it directly into documents, emails, or other apps. This makes it easy to use your screenshots wherever you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel.